Good morning, 10th class. Today we are dealing with chapter number 5 and name of the chapter is Periodic Classification of Elements. In this chapter, how many topics we have? Total 3. Number first is making order out of chaos. Early attempts. Then this is also related with, this is again related with making order out of chaos. Mendeleev periodic table, then making ऑर्डर आउट ऑफ चायोस द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. तो टोटल हम इसमें कितने टॉपिक्स पढ़ने वाले हैं? अर्ली अटेम्प्ट्स के बारे में, देन मेंडलीव पीरियोडिक टेबल के बारे में, एंड देन द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल. सो हियर इज अवर टॉपिक. टॉपिक फर्स्ट इट इज फिफ्थ चैप्टर एंड फर्स्ट टॉपिक मेकिंग ऑर्डर आउट ऑफ चायोस. अर्ली अटेम्प्ट्स एट द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. इसके अंदर हम पढ़ेंगे डॉबर्नियर ट्रायड, देन न्यूलैंड लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव्स एंड होम असाइनमेंट नंबर 1. तो ये वो ऐसे पर्सन्स थे जिन्होंने अर्ली अटेम्प्ट्स किए थे अबाउट क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स, राइट. यू नो व्हाट इज़ द नीड ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स. करने की क्यों ज़रूरत हुई? फॉर मेमोराइजिंग, फॉर ईजी अंडरस्टैंडिंग, फॉर ईजी मेमोराइजिंग, राइट. So here is our first subtopic Daubernier triad, and look here what is written there. Statement. इसमें हमको क्या क्या जानना ज़रूरी है? Statement, then given by whom, then about example, what is about triad, right, and if there is limitation or not. So here statement is when the three elements in a triad were written in order of increasing atomic masses, the atomic mass of middle element was roughly the average of the atomic masses of the other two elements. तो ये तो हमारे पास लैंग्वेज की बात हो गई. आप यहाँ पे देखोगे व्हेन द थ्री एलिमेंट्स इन अ ट्राइड वर रिटन इन ऑर्डर ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस. हमारे पास थ्री एलिमेंट्स हैं लाइक हियर कैल्शियम, स्ट्रॉन्शियम, बेरियम, राइट. इनको हमने किस बेसिस पे अरेंज किया? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस. ये 40 था, ये 88 है, ये 137 है. आप देख रहे हो ये इंक्रीज हो रहा है. सो दिस इज इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एटॉमिक मासेस. सो व्हेन डॉबर्नियर ग्रुप्ड थ्री एलिमेंट्स, right, in order of increasing atomic masses, atomic mass of the arithmetic mean of first and last atomic masses was roughly, right, not exact, what was roughly equal to the middle element. So here 40 plus 137 divided by 2, this one is arithmetic mean, right. So 177, 88, so 88 is approximately matching, right. So it is approximately approx, otherwise 177 upon 2, this one is 2 8 just 16, then again 16, 8.16, and then 5, 88.5. So it is roughly, it is matching, right. Example number third is chlorine, bromine, iodine. So atomic mass is this one, this one, this one, right. आप फर्स्ट और लास्ट को प्लस करके डिवाइड करो 2 से, इट इज़ 162.52. हाफ करेंगे approximately 81 point something, right. So it is approximately, was roughly equal to the middle element. So this is, and about the first example, lithium, sodium and potassium. So lithium is 6.9, potassium is 39, प्लस करके आप डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से, so you are getting approx value 23, and 23 is matching with sodium. Understood? So this classification was given by Daubernier, J.W. Daubernier, in the year 1817, and he was a German chemist. समझ में आया? नेक्स्ट हमारे पास अबाउट ड्रॉबैक. सो डॉबर्नियर कुड आइडेंटिफाई ओनली 3 ट्राइड फ्रॉम द एलिमेंट्स नोन एट दैट टाइम. आपने देखा यहाँ पे ये 3, उन्होंने कितने ग्रुप्स बनाए? 3 ग्रुप्स, एंड इन ईच ग्रुप हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट्स आर प्रेजेंट? ओनली 3. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स इट को क्लासीफाई ओनली 9. ओके, सो दिस इज नॉट वैलिड फॉर रेस्ट ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स. So this was the drawback of Daubernier triad. Next we have Newland law of octave. This law was given by John Newland, an English scientist, in the year 1866, right. And according to him, every 8th element had properties similar to that of first when elements were arranged in order of increasing atomic masses. तो इन्होंने क्या किया? जस्ट लाइक 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, हमने 7 नंबर्स लिखे हैं. हियर हाइड्रोजन से ज़्यादा मास लिथियम, बेरिलियम, बोरॉन, कार्बन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन के बाद द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ फ्लोरीन, बट फ्लोरीन इज़ नॉट रिटन हियर, यहाँ पे नहीं लिखा हुआ है. इट इज़ रिटन जस्ट बिलो हाइड्रोजन. वाई? बिकॉज द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फ्लोरीन बोथ आर मैचिंग, right. Fluorine properties are matching with chlorine also, right. So they are placed in one column, right. So this one means every first and every eighth, right? Just here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. First and eighth elements, their properties are matching, so they are placed in one group, right? And here lithium is matching with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Lithium is matching with sodium, right? So here it is written every eighth element had properties similar to that of first when elements were arranged in order of increasing atomic masses. Then about limitations. So this law was applicable only up to calcium, right? That means beryllium, magnesium, calcium, their properties are matching. Lithium, sodium, potassium, their properties are matching. But here potassium properties are not matching with the below two, right? And chromium, this boron, chlorine and chromium, these two properties are matching, but here aluminum is not matching properties with aluminum properties are not matching with chromium, and this one also not, and this one also not. So this table is only valid up to 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, up to calcium, right? So it is matching only up to calcium. He assumed that only 56 elements existed in nature and no more elements were discovered in future. तो उन्होंने बोला था कि सिर्फ इतने ही एलिमेंट्स नोन होंगे, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. तो बाकी की क्लासिफिकेशन इसमें मैच नहीं किए. ऑल द their properties are not matching, or they are not fitted into the Newland law of octaves. Number third is some of the unlike elements were fitted in the same slot and some like elements were fitted in different slot. जैसे कि हमारे पास one of the example is like cobalt. Cobalt is a metal, transition metal, and chlorine is a non-metal. Okay, metals and non-metals, they are different, but they are placed in same column. So this one is the drawback of Newland law of octave. So these are the three limitations of Newland law of octave. So this is all about today's work. Now you have to do home assignment number 1 and submit this work on Google Classroom. These three questions are taken from your textbook, chapter 5, page number 81. Do it, submit on Google Classroom. Thank you.